Children, today we are going to do the chapter Tux Paint. Tux Paint, as the name suggested, it is a program where you can draw, color, and do imagination as you want. So, what we will do, let's learn about the drip effect, edges effect, mosaic effect, smudge effects, waves and velvet effects, rainbow and real rainbow effects, and many more, like kaleidoscope effect, emboss effect, deleting and drawing, and printing and drawing. So in this chapter we are going to learn all these things. Beta, I am reading the chapter and I'm making you understand. You have already used the magic tool to fill color in a ready-made picture. The magic tool helps us to apply various special effects to a drawing. This book is saying that you have already learned about the magic effects of the book of the paint, and you have the already picture and you are coloring in it. Now we are going to learn further. Today we will learn bricks effect. It paints realistic large or small bricks with the bricks effects. One option is there, bricks effects, and what is the work? It paints realistic large or small bricks. That means these bricks, if we will click on it, that it can make a very good bricks. Now chalk. What is the chalk effect? It makes parts of the picture look like a chalk drawing. Like we are drawing with the chalk on the board, in the same way, if we click on the chalk, we'll get the same result. Then drip effect. It makes parts of the picture look like it is drip effect. So it makes part of the picture look like it is a dripping away. That pictures are dripping away. Now edges. What is the work of edges effect? It outlines the edges of the shape in a drawing. If you made the drawing at home, what will you do? You are making outline with the colorful pen or black sketch pen. So here with with this edges you may give the outline to your drawing. Then emboss effect. It gives a raised appearance to the drawing. And the flower effect, it draws curvy stalked flowers. So we have learned bricks effect, chalk effect, drip effect, edges effect, emboss effect, fill effect, and flower effect. Then we have another one, grass effect. It paints a realistic clumps of grass on the screen. It looks like the real grass. Then kaleidoscope effect. It draws a 4 places at the same time. Like you have made the one picture and you want it at the 4 places in the screen, then it will design it as a 4 pieces. Lighten effect. It lighten the colors of the parts of the drawing. Lighten means less, low effect. Then mosaic effect. What is the mosaic effect? It changes a drawing into a mosaic of colors. It changes a drawing into many colors, mosaic of colors. Then rainbow, it draws all colors in the rainbow. That means just like a rainbow, your drawing will more colorful with this. Then the real rainbow effect, it draws a colorful arc as a real rainbow. That means when you need a arc in your picture, then you will use this real rainbow effect. Smudge effect, it push the colors around us the surrounding wet paints. Then velvet's effect, it makes the picture move up and down. That means if you click on it, the velvet effect give your picture a look going up and down. Then waves effect, it makes the picture move from side to side. That means from here to there, from here to there, like this. Your picture will move like this. So again we are going to repeat all these things. The effects today we'll talk about only the effects, and then we'll talk about one by one. Then today, brick effect, bricks will be made. Chalk effect, just like chalk. Drip effect, make the part of the picture look like the dripping. Edge effect, emboss. Fill effect, flower effect. Then we read about the grass effect, kaleidoscope, lighten, mosaic, rainbow, real rainbow, smudge, velvets, waves. As the name suggested, again I am telling you very quickly, bricks means bricks, so they make the bricks. Chalk, they make the just like chalk. Drip, it makes your picture like dripping. Edges, it will highlight your edges of the drawing. Emboss, it gives the something popping up effect in your drawing. Fill means it will fill the colors. Flower effect, it will make the flowers. Then grass effect, same, the grass will come. Then kaleidoscope effect, it draw the four places one picture, like one here, one here, one here, one here, the four places you will get. Lighten means dull, makes your colors dull. Mosaic means different colors will be filled. Rainbow like effect and real rainbow. If you want an arc, then real rainbow. Smudge means paint like effect. Velvets, your picture will go up and down, and waves, your picture will go side to side. So I hope you understand all the effects. You will write at a place, and you will, if you have computer, then do this practice at home and tell me what kind of experience you got it from these effects. And I hope you like these effects in your tux paint. So please use these as a practical at your home. Thank you very much.